Welcome, in front of me I have Honor 10X Lite, and today I'll show you how you can take a series of the photo. So you have to open the camera, go for the photo mode and take a look. Click and hold shutter, and there we got 50. How many? I think we are going to get 100. Yeah, so we can get 100 photos, and if you want to store them, they are here, and basically that's all. So that's how we can take the burst shot. If you want to save one of this photo, you have to tap here to select and click on the right upper corner. As you can see, we are going to save the other 94 photos not selected in this burst series. No, we are going to save only the 2 of them, and the rest we can just delete. So if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.